Hello ladies. Menopause is a process that brings menstrual periods to an end. It's not a disease, a turning point. Women experience hot flashes and many physical issues during this period. But it's a golden opportunity to focus on these women so that we can prevent osteoporosis and heart diseases in the future.
Once you cross your 40s, be vigilant. If there are any menstrual abnormalities, come and meet us. We are here to help you. Delay in the menstrual cycles, reduction in the amount of menstrual flow need not be worried about. This is very common in the perimenopausal phase. If at all the bleeding is heavy, we have medication to treat that. If the symptoms of heavy bleeding repeat, we can put you on hormones. Hormones will be given in the form of oral estrogens. Recurrent urinary tract infections, repeated vaginal infections, vaginal discomfort, difficulty in intercourse will be tackled initially by giving antibiotics. If the need for repeated antibiotic therapy comes, we can put you on local estrogen therapy by giving you creams, tablets or medicated rings.
80% of women have hot flashes which are distressing. They have mood irritabilities, but only 20% approach us for treatment. They think it's normal for them to suffer. The truth is, this can be treated easily. We give you certain medication, we assess your health, heart disease risk and many cancer risks. After these assessments, then we'll give you menopausal hormone replacement therapy, which is a mainstay of treatment for these menopausal women. It stops all these problems of menopause. Most important component of menopausal treatment is taking care of their bone health. Bones often weaken and they experience fracture after that. So, bones must be strengthened by certain drugs which improves calcium deposition in the bone. Regular calcium and vitamin D supplements must also be given. These women are encouraged to eat protein-rich diet, calcium-rich diet which enhances their health. Postmenopausal women are at risk of heart diseases. We measure your cholesterol levels and give you lipid-lowering drugs if required. Regular physical activity and controlling your diet can help us to prevent many health issues of menopause. Cognitive behavior therapy can address problems like dementia and memory loss. There are many myths about menopause hormone therapy. Truth is that picking right candidate for hormone treatment and careful monitoring all through the process can give us best results.
We at Christ the Redeemer Clinic have a dedicated menopausal wing. We take care of your health, we give you adequate counseling and necessary treatment to make your menopause life smooth.